Hey guys, what's popping? So I was supposed to go to my friend's place because it's his birthday and I was gonna go surprise him. I got all dressed. Y'all see like my coat, my hat, my key. I had tried to speed through editing my video so I could get it up so I can just go. I get in my car, turn the key, the battery's dead. Yeah, when I tell you this week has been so like up and down. The other day I was crying at 2 a.m. about something that's stupid. Then I didn't get no sleep. Worried about the dentist because I hate going. Go. You seen the story. Leave. Get waking up again. It's just, then I go to movies, I'm happy. Then I'm about to go to my friend's event and my car won't start. Like, really? That's like the worst possible thing. Then I hear my parents listening to my videos. And I don't like hearing my voice. So, I'm just gonna, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I was gonna film a braid out video because I've been getting a request to do my braid out. And I need to wash my hair anyways because it's been, I haven't washed my hair since last Thursday and it's Saturday tomorrow. So, yeah. I'm so sad. Like, I'm really in my feelings. I got so, like, I was so excited. I'm telling everybody, like, I'm telling Rachel, like, okay, well, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'll probably, I have to be up early tomorrow. I think I'm just gonna go to bed because I'm kind of sad. I really want to go because I never get to do nothing with them. Like, if it's not one thing, it's another. Like, with the moves with my buddies, if it's not one thing, it's the other. So I'm just like, this is gonna be perfect. But now it's the other of the one thing. So I'm just gonna go to bed. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Sounds about right. Look, I done put on a nice pair of clothes. I have to go. Bye. Okay, so actually, I'm hungry, so I'm about to go make me an omelet. And I know in my last video I couldn't make an omelet, but now I can give quality footage. First thing you want to do, look at me giving directions. Like, this is not my third time making one. First thing you want to do is get you a nice pan. The pan can't be too big unless you're making a huge omelet. That don't make sense. Hey, Mom? Mom? Do you know where that little pan is? The little pan. Oh, I ain't checked there. See, that's why you got action on. I said I was gonna make an omelet first. What you want in it? Spinach? You want spinach in it? Okay, so my mom wants me to make her one, and I've never done that before. So I think I'm gonna make hers first. I don't know why. It's a little harsh. Okay, whatever. First thing you want to do is wash your hands. Do that. Get in the nails. Wash your wrist. Your wrist. I can't. So I'm gonna make my mom. Like a 2 egg.
Do you put all the part of the thing?
Yes. A 2 egg omelet. Okay? So this is how you break it. No? She's never eaten my food before.
Yes, I have.
No, you haven't, Mom. What I be cooking? Oh, that don't count. You're gonna hit it, and then you're gonna take your thumbs and push all the little egg back. And then there you go. No shells. Okay. So now that we got your eggs, all paper utensils only, because ain't nobody washing dishes. That's something that I don't do. Like, nah. I do it when I have to, but I usually use paper. Anyways, whip your eggs like you in the kitchen wrist twist up like a stir fry. So you know how like when that song come on, all you want to do is in the kitchen wrist twist up like a stir fry, but harder. Like you want to hit the bottom of the bowl, right? Beat that pot and bowl. Beat that pot and bowl. Whip it good. Whip it good. Whip it good. All right. So now that the eggs are beat up, all that jazz. I like to pre-season my egg and after season my egg because I'm black. Not saying that white people don't. If Oprah said it, I mean, you know. Also, not oh, that's kind of crazy. Okay, she's gonna be like, so I like my season. That could be too much. I might not put pepper afterwards. Okay. Okay. You just adjust to what, you know, you like. This is, I believe, olive oil. But, I don't know, this oil is kind of thick, so I could do without it, low-key. But I could do without it, but, like, I could do with a different oil. But anyways, so you want to kind of coat the pan enough to where it can be oil on the whole pan. You know what I'm saying? You know, so you kind of want to move the oil around, let it, you know, coat the whole pan and things of that nature, right? So then I like to turn my stove on about, well, we have 1 through 10, so I'm doing like 7. So between 6 and 8, closer to 6. So then, oh, my bag is broke. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna add some spinach, a couple leaves. You know, I know my mom's a healthy gal, but you know, you don't want to overwhelm the omelet, so we're just gonna put that much. Get you a nice cooking tool. I like the spatula. Really, I'm just gonna let that cook a little bit. This is literally my 3rd time making an omelet, so don't be confused if I'm doing something wrong, because I just might be. You never know. I never know, I guess. Okay. Make sure that the spinach is cooked. Watch out for popping oil. You know, you don't want to get hurt. If you're under 18, let your parents know, or like let them help you, because you know, let that wilt down some to like a normal wilted level. You know what I'm saying? So I think that's a pretty good level of cookedness. I think so. So now I'm going to pour the egg into the pan. And then we just let that marinate. Let it marinate, let it process, let it form. Okay, now at this point where you're letting it marinate, this is what it looks like wet. Pretty good, right? So at this point while you're letting it marinate, you want to get your plate. Now we're using a cheap plate because, like I said, you put it in the trash can. Good job.
Put the trash can.
You know, you don't want no like too many dishes. I wish you could see what I'm doing. Nah, you can't really. Okay. So yeah, I'm just letting that cook. It's like a pancake, even though I'm not really good at making pancakes. High key. So since this is a thin egg, you know, you want to make sure that you're checking it always. But you know how it like don't really cook in the middle? You're gonna have to get you a spot, lift it up and tilt the rest of the egg at the bottom. It's no yolk, nothing like that, because we don't do yolk in this house. Like, we don't do no easy over whatever that is. I don't know what that is. Okay, never felt that emotion. Okay, it's burning. Okay, so now we're gonna take it under our spatula, real nice and good, and now we're gonna flip it. Might not be the prettiest pickle in the pouch, but it's good enough. Okay, like I said, it might not be the prettiest pickle in the pouch, but you know, so we're gonna let the back cook, make sure it's nice and, you know, movable, make sure it's cooked. Take a look. My mom likes her eggs hard and cooked all the way through. That's where I get it from. So okay, that might be the one. Okay, just gonna check. Don't be scared to check your food now. Now what I like to do is I like to flip it one more time. Then I like to add some cheese. Turn the heat down. Take it off. Add some cheese. This is, I like bigger cheese, honestly. Like the bigger strands of cheese. But this is just gonna have to do for now. And then I'm going to put the omelet on the plate. This is it, you know. Not my best work, I won't lie, but it's alright. Not terrible. We're just gonna have to see how the critic, aka my mom, feels. We're gonna let her taste it. I'm scared though. Be honest, it don't matter that it's on the vlog. Be honest. Be honest.
It tastes good.
Okay.
It needs a little bit more pepper.
Really? I put a lot. Okay.
You put a lot of pepper in it?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's not terrible.
That's really good.
Okay. Is the cheese melted? Okay.
That's good.
Thank you.
10 out of 10.
A 10 out of 10?
Yeah.
Are you being serious? Wow, y'all. She's actually eating my food. I'm shook.
Now go get me some soda so I can wash it down.
It need to be washed down?
Yeah, everything needs to be washed down, child.
That's what I said. Try. You want me to bring you some pepper? What soda do you want?
Pepper.
Okay, so we got a good rating. Call me Chef Sammy. All right, guys. We got another customer. Okay. Like I said, you gotta beat your eggs like you in the kitchen, which twist up like it's stir fry. You know that you seen that focus? I'm really doing something, y'all. Like a lot of spinach or a lot of cheese or just like normal? Okay. Oop, you don't feel, you gotta see if your eggs feel bat enough. That makes sense? Not too much though. You don't wanna make it too salty. Pre-season. I low-key forgot to post-season my mom's, but we ain't gonna tell her. Am I running out of pepper? No way. I've never seen anybody run out of pepper. Okay, there you go. Olive oil. We gonna put enough to coat the pan. Nothing too crazy. I think I need to add a little bit more. Just enough. Okay, different. Okay, so yeah, just coating the pan. Cook the ingredients you want in the egg first. You know what I'm saying? Like, cook all of that first. A little bit more, just cause. Yeah, that's a good amount. So I'm kind of like spreading it out just so in the omelet. Oh gosh, I didn't realize it was that low. I'm kind of spreading it out just so that in the omelet it could be spread out, because we don't want no like super concentrated. Excuse me. Make sure you sneeze away from the food. And then you're just gonna pour your egg and that marinade, you know what I'm saying? Let it sit, let it process. Not process, we don't do processed food in omelets. You know what I'm saying? But we definitely gonna let it cook down. Looking very promising. We're gonna take a good spot and dump, not really dump, but kind of make sure it's egg everywhere. Make sure it's not really any like, you know, nothing uncooked, because don't nobody like no uncooked eggs. That don't make sense. Get that pour action going. Okay, this one might be a little ugly, not gonna lie, but you know, that's cool or whatever. That's cool. Not everything in life is perfect, you know what I'm saying? So now you just want to make sure everything is cooking good. And I'm just gonna get a good undergoing and make sure it's under there real good. And then I'm going to flip it. Haha, that was a good flip. Making sure it's cooking. Get a plate. Because you're almost done. Plate going, you know. Make sure it's cooking on both sides. Some cheese on the top of this thing. Let that marinate. And a little bit of cheese. So then we're gonna just slide it on the plate. It should just be able to slide off, but you know, if you need some assistance, don't feel bad about it. And then flip it. Make sure you cut your stove off in between cooks. Actually, I really want this one, but it's okay. That looks really good. And we're gonna see what she thinks about it. I'm kind of nervous. Tell the truth. Give me the truth, honest truth.
Oh my God. I didn't make everybody hungry.
Okay. Gotta do the taste test. We're gonna see what's going on. I am. It's hot. We're gonna see what's going on.
What do I do with my soda?
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Is there anything I could do better?
It's good.
Wow. I'm so proud. Wow.
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
It's good.
It's good.
It's good.
It's good.
It's delish. You heard that?
I've had omelet so long.
Let's see the second bite. Okay. All right. It's not terrible, right?
No.
Okay.
But they're not getting them, so it's good.
Right. So guys, thank you for watching my cooking show. As I attempt to make the whole family omelets. Now I'm about to make one for myself and to help my mom wrap gifts for the Christmas experience. Make sure you guys go donate. It's about, you know, giving children gifts for the holiday season who otherwise couldn't afford it. So yeah. The link is down in my bio if you want to donate or just learn more about it. And not in my bio, what? Link is down in my description box if you want to just like learn more about it or donate. Okay? So make sure you go check that out. Alright?